Hello and welcome to an Introduction to Nature Bowl, a fun and educational program for 3rd through 6th graders aligned with school science standards and coordinated by the California Department of Fish and Wildlife. This video is meant to prepare coaches and players for the events and activities in the friendly competition. Specifically, we will be looking at team problems, bell ringers, enviromercials, outdoor investigations, nature relay, and additional activities. Quite possibly the most content-intensive event is the Team Problems and Bell Ringers event. Team Problems consist of 3 players who collectively take on different challenges. One such challenge is Picture ID, in which teams are given a nature-related picture. They are then given a prompt by the judges and asked to write down answers based on the picture. As is with all Nature Bowl events, students will have a chance to explain their reasoning for an answer if it is deemed incorrect. Partial or full points may be awarded in these instances. In the Food Chain Challenge, students are provided a set of animals and are asked to properly order the animals based on the real-world food chain they would be part of. And again, students are given the opportunity to explain the reasoning for their order to the judges. In charades, teams will be given an opportunity to choose and act out a nature-related term. Other teams will guess what the term is and be awarded points accordingly. It is helpful to refer to the Nature Bowl glossary when preparing for this challenge. Finally, in the Predator-Prey Adaptation Challenge, students are asked to quickly sort a stack of cards in the proper order based on the specific traits listed. Students have a minute or two to group their cards and then are asked to announce their answers to the panel of judges when called upon. Bell Ringers is a fast-paced 20-question style game in which teams answer quiz questions related to nature. Again, referring to the Nature Bowl glossary is recommended for preparing your team in this knowledge-specific game. Enviromercials is an event that consists of up to 3 players. Each player will come prepared to give a 1-minute presentation. The presentation is based upon a local environmental problem along with a solution. During the presentation, presenters will need to identify the issues, identify the effects, identify the solution, provide an index card of sources, and answer follow-up questions from enviromercial facilitators. Outdoor Investigations is an event that consists of up to 3 players. The players will be taken to different stations and posed with a variety of questions or challenges. This is a hands-on critical thinking event. Students are asked to piece together information and draw conclusions based on what they see. Nature Relay. This is an event that the full team can participate in. Players will be given a clue from the game facilitator. Then they will run to a stash of nature-related items to select which one best matches the clue. Students will need to be able to explain why they chose that item, so practicing how to give thought-out explanations is helpful in preparing your team for this event. Each year, there are different additional activities that allow time for free play between main events. It is not necessary to prepare your team for these activities, however, just be aware that they are part of the Nature Bowl schedule. To conclude the day, there is an award ceremony that recognizes each team's strengths during the course of the Nature Bowl. All players will receive Nature Bowl gift bags as well as a hearty round of applause from the rest of the group. We hope that you have enjoyed this video and have found it useful. We look forward to seeing you at this year's Nature Bowl event.